Dude, they're like right here, Matt. Down, down, down. I didn't even hit you, did I? Good. I didn't even think. Sorry.
I was just taking cover, keeping my head low, and I see you up and then. I couldn't.
Yeah, I saw you, and then you ducked down, and then I knew Matt was there, so I'm like, you're fucked.
Yeah. I was hoping I'd get one on Matt.
He's just shooting my legs every game. I haven't got hit with the best one. Every time it's this leg.
Gotta get cover, man, and stand out there. Those are my last 2 BBs. Yeah. Then I ran out. Alright, you guys want to do it again?
Yeah, but we're gonna have to have Sammy or
Start further back so we don't see you. Because like kind of the half of it is just hide. Because you got so many guys, so we're kind of screwed and scrambled. But when we see you, it's shooting fish in a bucket.
yeah. You need to do some of your hopper, you know. They're like,
whoa. Yeah, they're going up.
I didn't see it till it was too late. Yeah, it felt like I was in the fucking Matrix.